after we'd been living there for about 20 years, I lived there for the best part of 25 years, from, 1970 onwards. And after about 20 years, we discovered a room in the house that we didn't know existed. Because at one end of the house, across this minstrel's gallery, he went to this master kind of suite at the end with a bedroom and a big dressing room and a bathroom. But we just thought that it had been built into, only use part of the space in that house. And one day we decided to really open up this the bathroom end, and we like a big bathroom now. Like a big kitchen, don't we? But so I got one of a guy that used to work for Mike Pinder of the movies, because Mike was always building himself, knocking things down, and he had guys working for him. And I got one of his guys to come round and kind of knock this out, and we're going to expand this whole part of the house. And he knocked a hole in this wall, and then he shouted to me to come on up, and I rushed upstairs, and he said, "Look at this," and I stuck my head through the hole, and there was like skirting board and wallpaper, and it was like half a room that had been there, it was like Regency.